Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are ready and excited for what I am calling the bougie on a budget battle. I'm going to be doing a full complete makeover of our back patio area, and Ryan, Mr. Bougie himself, is going to be redoing the front porch.
Fan, I need a fan. Who's fanning me? I just really don't think that I should have to ask for these things anymore.
And the only guidelines and parameters of this battle is who can make it look the most expensive, the nicest on a budget. After you see the full reveal of both spaces, leave your vote down below. Who did it better? So let's talk about the spaces. My area is our back patio. We used to have a patio set out here. It got rained on one too many times, and it got completely covered in mildew. It was nasty, it could not be salvaged. So we thought, you know what, let's start from scratch.
Okay, so the area that I was given is the front porch, AKA a door. Look at this. I mean, literally I'm working with a door. Not just any door, right? It's asymmetrical. Look, there's like a big gaping space of nothingness to the left, and you got nothing on the right. She did this on purpose. Tried to throw me off my game. Not possible. Challenge accepted.
So my strategy is to first find some inspiration pictures, look around on Pinterest, look at home design magazines and blogs, and find some styles and decor items that you like and try to recreate it on a budget. Other little trick that I do is I make a design mock-up. I use PicMonkey, where you can remove the background, and I insert all of the pictures of the items I'm thinking about, and I kind of play around. I see how it might look.
So my design process, it's not really a process. This is kind of like a design gift. I want you to walk up and feel, I have arrived. But you can't really say that because you're so taken back and the words just can't come out. But in your mind, you're screaming, I've arrived, I'm here.
So who do you think is going to win the battle? I mean, it's kind of obvious.
Who do I think is gonna win? Oh, I'm sorry, that was a serious question?
I think Mom and Dad is gonna win too.
Oh really? It will be a tie?
Yes, yes, yes.
Who do you think is gonna win the battle, Mommy or Dada?
Mommy and Dada. Mommy and Dada.
Ryan's gonna win.
Brittany dresses and fixes herself up, and
No,
she has
I think
style.
It's Ryan.
Ryan is a little bit like maybe not
He's
quite
a little
as
more bougie though, you know.
The first piece that I decided on, it actually took me months to pick the patio set. This is what everything is going to revolve around. And when I tell you, these can be so expensive, and I just did not want to spend an arm and a leg on a patio set. And I knew if I looked hard enough, I could find something great. And this is the set that I found, that I fell in love with. I think it looks very high end. It actually looked like this set that I found in this $7 million home. That's one of my inspiration pictures. You guys will not get over the price, okay? This full set that comes with a large couch, a love seat, 2 smaller chairs, and the coffee table is $1,300. It has exceeded my expectations. It's very well made. It was pretty easy to put together. Ryan was able to do it. It was not too complicated or time consuming. And 2 keys for patio furniture. Always get a cover. They make pre-made covers for different sizes. And other pro tip is to get some Scotchgard outdoor. So you can spray down your cushions with this, and it's going to make them water and stain resistant and also prevent UV damage. The next big key piece here was picking out the rug, and there are so many options, almost too many options. And as I was searching, this one caught my eye. I like the blue color, the palm leaf, and the price was right, and it shipped fast. So all good things. Now is the fun part. You just accessorize. So I got the set of the outdoor accent pillows and the covers. There are so many different cover options, but I didn't want to get something that would clash, so I think the white looks nice. Next thing, I got this amazing, super cool side table. So not only is this going to give more space for guests to put their drinks down, it's not what it appears, okay? This is more than a basic side table. The top actually lifts up to reveal a hidden cooler that fits up to 40 drinks inside. So if we are having a gathering, we can use that, put ice inside and use that as our cooler. And it also becomes a table because the middle part lifts up and it's an elevated table. So you can stand, have your drinks on there, talk. I thought this was just so cool, and it's under $100. So this coffee table, as I mentioned, came in the set, which I still cannot get over how much and how nice it is for the price. Now we just need to style the coffee table. So I got this beautiful centerpiece vase. This is a statement piece, and you can either put your faux flowers or fresh flowers. I got these adorable coasters that go with the color theme. They look really high end. Now to this side wall, since we're outside, I can't really add art here, but I thought it would be cool to add a wreath just to bring some greenery, warm up the space, add a little visual interest, bring the space together. So I love how this looks. I got this outdoor speaker, which is going to be amazing when we're having parties, and it's just so much nicer. The sound quality on this one is phenomenal. It's waterproof. The battery lasts a really long time. Now let's talk lighting out here for the evenings, nighttime. We already had these bistro lights. I couldn't decide if I wanted to keep them, remove them. I may replace them with newer ones, but for now, they're staying because at night it does really set a nice ambiance, and they do still work. The problem is they attract all the bugs at night. So then I got this little bug zapper that you just put outside, that attracts the bugs and zaps them. Then I thought, you know what, it needs more. We need a statement piece here. So I found this outdoor chandelier light fixture. It kind of looks like a beautiful dandelion. Very easy to put together, very affordable. I hung this in the center of the space, and this is when I'm like, yes, I'm winning the battle. I'm sorry, this is just so beautiful. It's all coming together. And this one is so easy to install. You don't need to hardwire anything. You can plug it into an extension cord. Also, I found these solar powered deck lights that are just so good. We don't have an actual deck, but if you do, you can put these along the railing. I put it along this concrete wall just to add more lighting and just illuminate the entire backyard area. So here again, to remind you, this is what the space looked like before. I mean, it was sad, it was blank, it was bare. And here is the after. I love how it all came together. It's simple, elegant, chic, comfortable, functional. So I'm very proud of all of this. All of it together was done on a budget. Like, I don't think I could have made this look any nicer for any less money. So that's my makeover space. Now we're gonna turn it over to the front porch, front door area with Ryan.
Okay, so now what we've all been waiting for, the design. Let's talk about the design. So the first thing you're gonna see when you walk up to the front door are the mats. And as you can see, we've got some pretty large double doors here, so I had to go larger. I decided to get a beautiful checkered undermat that was large enough to cover the whole width of the double doors, and I realized, you know, that wasn't quite enough. I had to get something to go on top. It's called layering, people, okay? This is very important in design. So I went with a beautiful welcome, classic welcome mat you can see right here. So then you raise your gaze upward, and there they are, the two naked, empty double doors. What are we gonna do here? I'm thinking a big, large wreath. So I decided to go with these tasteful and yet beautiful symmetrical wreaths.
See, the trick to these is you gotta zhuzh them out, bring them to life. They've been in a box for God knows how many months. Zhuzh is the word of the day. Remember that. Zhuzh is a verb.
When you walk up to this house, I wanted people to think, wow, they really care. They care about me. Look how beautiful these wreaths are. I want to know what's behind that door. This must be a happy, magical place. And now for my design challenge. This big, huge, gaping space on the left-hand side. What to do with all this room? I wanted to go big and bold. Plant. Yep, pop, right in the front. So as you walk up, big old plant in your face. So I found this gorgeous blue pot that I think would look really well. You know, a kind of pop of color when you walk up. And then what comes out of it? A gorgeous plant. It looks kind of like it's magical. It's like almost like if Jack dropped a bean in there and there's like a magical beanstalk that just came up in the front of the house. And you're like, where does it go? Does it go to heaven? It can't, because I'm already in heaven. This must be heaven. You don't even know what's happening, and you just think that like your whole life's flashing before your eyes, and you realize, no, that's the light from the candles in the open lanterns that are right there in front of you. And you're like, where did they come from? I don't even know. Where am I? Am I in a fairy tale? Yes, you are in a fairy tale. It's the fairy tale of my vision of the front of the house. The mat shouldn't say welcome. It should say you're welcome. Yeah, I mean, basically this is just what I pulled together in 15 minutes, just clicking around randomly on Amazon. But you know, no big deal. I'm sure Brittany could have done something of similar quality.
I like it.
Covers.
I like it. Oh, that looks great. That looks really good.
Like it looks like the eyes and the nose and the mouth, a little
So,
mustache
do
maybe.
we get to know how much it costs, and maybe we'll do the same thing?
Wow.
Yes, you will in the video.
Oh, that's beautiful. I love the rug,
Oh
the
boy.
chandelier. Okay, yeah, Brittany.
Yeah, I mean this is really inviting.
Yeah.
Isn't it so cute?
I just want to sit here,
Wow.
have some white wine.
Okay, so now that you've seen both of our spaces, leave your vote down in the comments below, or go over to my Instagram stories at Bachelor Beauty. I'm gonna have a poll there and I'll announce the official winner. If you did enjoy this, if you wanna see another Bougie on a Budget battle, give this a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed and following me here if you wanna see more videos like this in the future, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.